Hey friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and if you're using Discord and want to change a language, let me walk you through step by step how to change a language on Discord. All you have to do once you sign in is look towards the lower left hand side and click this user settings gear. Scroll down to where you'll find language. Once you click on that, you have different languages that you can choose from. Now, I want to say that there's not a whole world of different languages that are there, but there are more than enough language to go around that can cover the entire planet. So I hope that you understand at least one of these languages, and I hope that the language that you're looking for is a part of this list. But if so, guys, then this is where you can go ahead and find those languages and change the languages on Discord. With that said, thank you guys for watching. All you have to do is just switch the language of your choice. You will see the changes in Discord, so I can quickly switch. You can see on the left hand side that language has been changed, and that's how you go ahead and change the language. Discord make it super easy to change languages, and all you have to do is just simply go ahead and choose the one of your choice. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.